Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the interface language to English or any other supported language in Adobe Illustrator in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, let me open up Adobe Illustrator on my desktop computer, and as you can see, the interface language for my Illustrator version installed on my device is not English, but it is set to Polish for demonstration purposes. So let me show you how you can change that to English or to any other of your preferred languages. First and foremost, guys, you won't find any language or interface language settings here on Illustrator itself. Here in Preferences or anywhere else, you won't find any of these settings. Instead, you will need to access your account on Adobe Creative Cloud. So launch Adobe Creative Cloud on your device. Make sure that you're logged in with the same Adobe account that is connected with your Adobe Illustrator account. And what you will need to do here, guys, is click into your profile icon in the top right and select Preferences. From that menu, navigate to the Language tab here on the left-hand side, and then you will see these two language settings. The desktop language for Creative Cloud as well as the default install language. So the upper one is optional. You can, or you may, if you like, switch to English or to any of the supported languages here, so that Creative Cloud may be displayed here in the given language. Or alternatively, you may also consider changing the app language, and the app language can be changed, for example, for Illustrator or for any other Adobe app here, can be changed here under default install language. So click into the drop down menu, scroll up, select English, one of these versions like International or that one or North America, and after that click into Done. Now what you want to do next, guys, is uninstall Adobe Illustrator, because as you can see, let me just show it again here on the preferences, these language settings are meant for installed application. So the language you have chosen here will be applied only to Adobe applications you install from now on. So if Illustrator has already been installed on your device, you will need to uninstall it from your desktop computer first, and after that head over to these language settings and download and install Illustrator again. So what you need to do, guys, is navigate to your app directory on your device, look for Adobe Illustrator, uninstall it, and also, guys, before you navigate back to your account here on Creative Cloud and download and install Illustrator again with the new install language, make sure that in the tab manager you disable any processes on your device that are tied to Illustrator, so that there are no background processes ongoing with the previous language settings that may or might lead to various language settings conflicts later once we have reinstalled Illustrator again. So turn off Illustrator here on your device before you uninstall it. Turn off any processes on your device that may be related to Illustrator. And once that's done, switch to English here, the way I showed you here in your account preferences for the installation language, and download and install Illustrator again. And that fixed the issue for me, guys. Please let us know in the comments down below if it did also for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.